Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord tail light bulb. First, open your trunk and find the small access panel on the side of the tail light. You will see two plastic clips holding it in place. Carefully remove these clips. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the carpet liner to reveal the back of the tail light assembly. This gives you clear access to the bulb. Now that you have access, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb socket. Gently squeeze the tab and pull to disconnect it. Next, grasp the bulb socket itself and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. The socket should then pull straight out from the tail light housing. Finally, carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Be gentle to avoid breaking it. With the old bulb removed, take your new replacement bulb. Align the base of the new bulb with the socket and push it firmly into place. Make sure it's seated securely. Now, reinsert the bulb socket back into the tail light assembly opening. Twist the socket clockwise about 1/4 of a turn until it locks into position. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Almost done, carefully push the carpet liner back into its original position, ensuring it's smooth and flat. Then, reinsert the two plastic clips you removed earlier to secure the access panel firmly. Before closing the trunk, have someone check the tail lights while you press the brake pedal and turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.